Hi, Dimitri. Jeff Shatney over here at Auto Fair Honda here in Manchester, New Hampshire. I wanted to try to make you a quick video of the 2019 Honda Civic Type R here and touch on some of the basic features on this model here. As you probably know, the 2-liter Type R is a turbocharged model, 306 horsepower. They only make it in a touring trim. So with that being said, you'll have the LED front headlights, low beams, high beams, daytime running lights, all LED on this car. Standard fog light that comes equipped on it. It's got the front carbon fiber lip spoiler here, 20-inch wheels, Brembo brakes that come standard on this model. The red limited interior with the super high wall bucket seats that are in here. We've accessorized the car a little bit here. We've done all season mats for it. We've done the visors here on all the rear doors, front and rear doors here. Inside the trunk here, it's got the trunk tray that's fitted to it as well. You'll still get all the OEM original Type R mats and everything that'll come stock with it here. This does have a little privacy shade in the back that you can use, kind of cover up your belongings here. If you need to fold those rear seats down, they are 60-40 split. To do so. Tri-tip exhaust system on the back here for you. It does have a capless fuel door, so when it comes time to fuel, it's going to save you some time at the pump here as well. But inside the car, some of the unique features that you see on the Type R here is going to be the gauge cluster. It has a couple extra options that you don't normally see in the Civics here. You're going to have a G meter here, so whether you're accelerating, braking, cornering, anything like that, you're going to actually be able to use that to be able to see what the G's are that you're pulling. There's a lap timer that's in here. If you want to see your boost here or see where you are in the VTEC range, you have that here as well for you. But even if it's just something about tracking your mileage, you'll have the option to be able to do it. Above and beyond that, it has factory Garmin GPS built into it. So if you'd like to set a navigation result on here, once you set it through the factory system, it actually pushes the navigation results over to the display here for you. Automatic headlights on the car. They are, like I said, the full LED. We can turn the fog lights on here with it as well. Ergonomic controls. If you're using an Android phone or an Apple phone, when we connect it through the USB port that's in the front here, it's actually going to give you the direct option to be able to use Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. So if you've got Google Maps, Waze, the Apple Map program that you prefer to use, you can use that. But more importantly, you'll have the ability to send text messages, ask questions, set reminders, alarm clocks, things like that, right by using this one single button over here. On Apple phones specifically, we'll be able to do it with no cords required whatsoever. From there, you've got a couple different options here, an R mode, a comfort mode. We can use the brake hold. So if you have your seatbelt fastened anytime that you make a complete stop with this car, it'll hold its gear for you. Its position for you automatically. Again, we put the wireless charger. So if you got an iPhone, I believe 7 or 8 and up, along with a multiple Android devices, you'll be able to just drop the phone there and have it charge. One of my favorite things about this car is the automatic rev matching. Anytime that you downshift with this car, the car rev matches automatically for you here as well, along with a push start ignition, dual zone climate control here. You can use the climate button here, get it up on the touchscreen, and then even use your finger to control the climate control here too. Dimitri, I imagine there's plenty more that I could also cover here in person with you. Just feel free to give us a shout here at 603-634-4700. Just ask for Jeff Shatney in the sales department. I can help answer any questions that you might have on this one here as well. Thanks again for looking.